Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
According to the USDA and U.S. Food and Drug Administration, raw chicken, regardless of if it's whole, in pieces such as breasts, thighs, drumsticks, and wings, or ground, should be stored for no longer than 1 to 2 days in the refrigerator.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Store raw chicken or turkey in its original packaging, on the bottom shelf of your fridge. Just make sure the packaging is well sealed and away from other foods and cooked meats. Double check that your fridge is set to 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. This keeps your chicken, and all the food in your fridge, fresher for longer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In your refrigerator and freezer, keep poultry wrapped until you are ready to prepare. Cook refrigerated fresh poultry within 2 days or freeze immediately. If purchased on the sell-by date, prepare or freeze immediately. If freezing, mark with the purchase date.
Take our lead.
Use or freeze beef, veal, pork, and lamb products with a sell-by date within 3 to 5 days of purchase. Fresh chicken, turkey, ground meat, and ground poultry should be cooked or frozen within 1 to 2 days of purchase.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.